My car needs a car wash.
Huh?
It's so dirty. Every time like birds are pooping on it.
Yeah.
So, like even like when I park on the driveway, the birds like pooping on one spot.
Yeah, because of trees. I thought you guys were like taking pieces of it, like splitting it.
No, we're splitting the money to buy it.
Oh. Well, who's gonna own it?
My friend, but I'm gonna take some parts off of it that he doesn't need.
So what did the Guyanese man at Midas tell you?
There's like a bunch of Guyanese men, but they just said like you gave me like a metaphor, but I couldn't like
What did
like
he say?
put it together.
What did he say?
I forgot. He's saying like you should like basically you should like make sure you do things properly.
Huh?
You should basically like, make sure you do things properly.
Oh. God, that's really driving your car.
Yeah.
I haven't put gas in the 4Runner since March.
Yeah, you should drain that or like just use it up. You can't have old gas.
Really?